Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be teaching you the render command in 3D Max. So let's get started. So in render command we see the natural effect of light, reflection or refraction and some other major effects on our models by setting up some parameters of the rendering options. So first we will open our 3D Max setup and then we'll go to geometry option down to the right side of the toolbar. Click any of the object type. Right now I'll click box. I'll set up my box, and then the next thing is that I'll just go to rendering, the above option above the toolbar, and just press render. And it's that simple. Rendering is just that's it. You just have to create an object, go above the toolbar, select any of the rendering options, click render, and that's it. So I'll make it more complex. So if you want to make your render setup a little bit different, you can use your different type of custom size, custom height, custom width, your custom aperture width, any different type of your output size. But here I will do a little bit complex, so I'll pick our light command, pick photometric, set up target light, in which in the last video I explained about the light command. So if you haven't seen it, go down to my link in the description and I'll provide you my latest video. So I'll pick render and see, as I've set up my target light, only the light that has been targeted of the object, that's going to be rendered. That's it. So if I want this side of my object face to be rendered, I'll go rendering, or if you want to go it short, just write shift plus Q, and that's it. Nothing different. So now let's make it a little more complex. So right now I'll open one of my any files. I'll go to files, I'll go to import, and then I'll just pick any file type I want. I'll pick any car type that I've made. I'll press OK. And you want to set the current animation length to the match. This you should press no. This will make your file hang and this may not restore your saved file. So it's not a recommendation. Just do not press the option no, and that's it. So that's it. You have imported your car. Just go to render, and your car will be rendered. That's it. So now if I want to make my lighting a little bit different, so I'll press photometric target light, and if I want the front face of the car to be rendered, I'll draw where I want my car to be rendered, and I want it to be in the front area. So the more you put on the front area, the more you put it side, the more the light will go to the side. This is how accurate the light command can be in 3D Max. So I'll press render, and as you can see, only the front area of the car has been rendered. That's it, because I picked my light command. And if you want your car to be rendered at your side of the car, just click the side like this and press render, and that's it. Thank you guys. That's for it for today's video. Please like and subscribe the channel. This is a continuous series for 3D Max, so press the notification bell and comment down below. Thank you.